Hi everyone, welcome back to hanacrochetdesign. It's Eva and today I'm gonna share with you another crochet tutorial. I've got some question regarding the crochet thread. Some of you say that you can't find the DMC crochet thread in your country. Well, there are other options. You can use cotton sewing thread or you can use DMC embroidery floss. So today I'm gonna demonstrate how I make my flower using one strand of embroidery thread. Before I continue with the tutorial, I want to talk about the crochet hook. Recently, Tulip company sent me this micro crochet hook set. This is from their Etimo Rose collection, and the smallest hook size for this line is 0.4 millimeter. What I really like from this line is their ergonomic cushion grip, because when you're working with a very fine thread, a hook with cushion will definitely help you to crochet comfortably for a long time. Actually, I've been using the product for about 5 years now. The body of hook is still in a very good condition, except the discoloration on their cushion grip. So this is the comparison of my old hook and the new one. As you can see, the old one is a little bit bended because I accidentally dropped it. The hook itself is still in a very good condition. It never turned black or get rusted. And I usually use this hook size to work with crochet thread number 80 from the MC. And this is the 0.45 millimeter hook. And this is my old hook, which I have for almost 5 years now. As you can see, the grip was discolored, but the body of hook is still in a very good condition. It never turned black or get rusted. And the last hook size that I use quite often is this 0.4 millimeter crochet hook. I usually use this when I work with a very fine thread, as fine as sewing thread or a strand of embroidery thread. Since the tip of the hook is very small, it allows me to catch a yarn easily and crochet smoothly. This is how I use the 0.4 millimeter hook with a one strand of embroidery thread. They also sent me this pink leather pouch to keep the crochet hook. There are 10 crochet hook slots. And there's a small compartment with a zipper where you can keep your scissors or needles. Thank you Tulip company for sending me this crochet hook set. For more information about this crochet hook, you can check out their website and Instagram page. I'm gonna leave both links in the description box below. Alright, back to the tutorial. To make this crochet flower, you're gonna need 0.4 millimeter crochet hook, and you're gonna need one strand of embroidery thread. In one skein, there are 6 strands of embroidery thread, so you just need to pull one strand just like this. We're gonna start with magic circle. Loop the thread around your finger, slide the hook under the first thread, and grab the second thread, and pull it through, and twist the hook, yarn over, and chain 1. And then I'm going to make 4 single crochet in the magic circle. So this is my first single crochet, and I'm gonna keep my single crochet loose because we're going to work the petals in this single crochet. So this is the second single crochet, this is the third single crochet, and this is the fourth single crochet. And then from here you can tighten your magic circle by pulling the tail of the thread. Then I'm going to join this circle with a slip stitch. Then after that, we're gonna start with our first petal. I will start with a chain 3. Then after that, I'm going to make a treble crochet in the same stitch. To make a treble crochet, you need to yarn over twice and then insert your hook. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through the loops. And then you're going to yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and last one, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Next, I'm going to make 6 double treble crochet in the same stitch. To make that, you need to yarn over 3 times, and then you're going to insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and last one yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So that's the first one, and this is the second double treble crochet. Third double treble crochet. Fourth double treble crochet. Fifth double treble crochet. And this is the sixth double treble crochet. Alright, next I'm going to make a treble crochet in the same stitch. After that, I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to make a slip stitch in the same stitch. And this is how our first petal looks like. And continue to the next petal. I'm gonna start with a slip stitch in the next stitch. And after that, the pattern is exactly the same as the first pattern. So I'm gonna start with a chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to make a treble crochet in the same stitch. Then after that, we're going to make 6 double treble crochet in the same stitch. This is my second double treble crochet. Third double treble crochet. Fourth double treble crochet. Fifth double treble crochet. And last one, 6 double treble crochet. After that, I'm going to make a treble crochet in the same stitch. Then I'm going to chain 3, and we're going to make a slip stitch in the same stitch. This is how the petals looks like. I'm gonna continue to the third and the fourth petal, since the patterns are exactly the same as the first and the second petal, so I'm gonna speed up the video. Same thing again, we're gonna start with a slip stitch in the next stitch. Then I'm going to chain 3, then treble crochet in the same stitch. Then after that, I'm going to make 6 double treble crochet in the same stitch. I finished with my 6 double treble crochet. Next, I'm going to make a treble crochet in the same stitch. Then we're going to chain 3 and slip stitch in the same stitch. And continue to the fourth petal. I'm gonna make a slip stitch in the next stitch, and then I'm going to chain 3, a treble crochet in the same stitch. Then after that, 6 double treble crochet in the same stitch. I finished my 6 double treble crochet. Then next I'm going to make a treble crochet in the same stitch, and then after that I'm going to chain 3 and slip stitch in the same stitch. Then after that, usually I'm just going to tie knot twice. And then after that, I usually apply a fabric stiffener or fabric glue at the end of the thread. And this is how the flower looks like. I'm gonna upload the part 2 in the near future. I'm gonna teach you how to make these earrings using the same crochet flower that we just made earlier. Or if you're interested to learn more about micro crochet, you can buy this pattern in my Etsy shop. The link will be in the info box below. There will be full video tutorial from how I crochet the flowers and how I put the earrings together. The pattern is written in English, and there will be crochet diagram for each pattern. I also have this pattern on Skillshare. If you sign up using my link, you'll be able to access my video for free for a period of time, and you can cancel your subscription anytime you want. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you in my next video.